Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to Lumberyard CQB Airsoft. And for this video, we'll have a quick review of one of our gas blowback airsoft pistols. And as you can notice, I'm wearing a mask today. I also would like to promote yung aming airsoft game site. So, put your masks on and join us in our battle. Every Saturday at 4 p.m. We are located at Barangay Pagulingin Bata, Purok 3, Lipa City. So, punta po kayo doon. We have there a facility where you can play CQB or close quarter battle. Meron din po tayo doong shooting gallery and a spot where you can light up your barbecues. So, pwede po tayo mag-ihaw and play airsoft at the same time. And also, may bisita tayo dito. With me is my daughter. As you can see, andyan po yung kanyang kamay. Anak, say hi to our viewers. This is Ellie, my daughter. Hello. Okay, thank you. Alright, so what I'm going to show you today is a rare find. This is a third generation of Glocks. And it's, aside from being highly accurate, this one was featured in John Wick Chapter 3. So this is the Glock 34 manufactured by ENC or East Crane. So let me show you the box. There you go. And then inside the box, we have a user manual. And then let me show you the actual unit. May silicone gel. So this is the actual unit. Take a look. Ganda. Build material is metal and polymer plastic. So aluminum alloy po yung kanyang slide. Complete markings. We have the Taran Tactical Innovations logo and Combat Master on the other side. And then, ayan po, sa stapled hand grip natin, andyan yung marking ng Glock. And then, on the other side as well, meron tayo mga markings. There you go. Thank you, anak. And then, yung mga Glock na third generation, known siya sa kanyang mga finger grooves. So, ganyan po yung mga identification or something na unique sa third generation ng Glock. So, serrated po yung kanyang front and rear slide. Open cut. So, nakikita po natin yung ating outer barrel. Outer barrel is also threaded. So, you can easily install yung mga Spitfire tracer units natin and silencer. May railing din po sa lower frame, so you can mount your flashlight or laser lights. So there you go. And then siya ay may kasama rin na 24-rounder magazine. And FPS of this unit is 350 FPS out of the box. Alright, so you may send us a message if you are interested and you would like to acquire this Glock 34 third generation. And then, please do visit us sa aming game site at Lumberyard CQB Battleground. So, thank you for watching today. See you again. God bless you. East Crane or ENC. So, let me show you the box. To continue, let's open the box and see what's inside.